This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook maple sausage. First, ensure your sausage is fully thawed if frozen. This prevents uneven cooking. Next, gather a non-stick skillet or a baking sheet, along with 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil. We will explore both pan frying and oven baking techniques today. Choosing your method is the first step to a delicious meal. To pan fry, warm a non-stick skillet over medium heat for about 1 minute. Add 1 tablespoon of a neutral cooking oil, like vegetable or canola. Carefully place the maple sausage links into the hot pan, ensuring they are not overcrowded. Cook them for 10 to 12 minutes, turning them every 2 to 3 minutes until a deep golden brown appears on all surfaces. For oven baking, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper to prevent sticking and make cleanup easier. Arrange your maple sausage links in a single layer, ensuring space between each one for even browning. Bake for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, turning the sausages gently after about 10 minutes to cook thoroughly on both sides. It is crucial to ensure your maple sausage is fully cooked for safety and best flavor. Use a meat thermometer to check that the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Visually, the sausages should be firm, plump, and deeply golden brown, with no raw pink color visible inside. Allow them to rest for 2 to 3 minutes after cooking. This helps keep them juicy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.